Fobest offers 2 installation options for range hoods. Option 1. Screw mount installation. Step 1. Hang the hood cover on the wall. Step 2. From inside the hood, secure it to the wall, using screws to make sure it's firmly fixed. Step 3. Insert the blower hood insert into the hood cover and secure both sides with screws. Step 4. Insert and secure the filters in the hood insert. Option 2. Hook mount installation. Step 1. Install the wall hooks. Step 2. Insert the blower hood insert into the hood cover and secure both sides with screws. Step 3. Insert and secure the filters in the hood insert. Step 4. Hang the fully assembled hood cover plus blower onto the wall hooks.